Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the do not disturb option on Clash. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen on the on the right corner, and after that click on the settings, which is at the top right corner, and then at the notification section you can see that the first one is do not disturb, so you can turn it on and off. So yeah, this is very helpful if you do not want to get notifications. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.